How to fix Microsoft Edge not downloading stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, open up a new tab in your Microsoft Edge browser. Then click on the three-dot icon that you see in your top right-hand side. Click on to Settings. Here click on to Cookies and Site Permissions. Scroll below. Then you will see pop-ups and redirects. Click onto it and make sure that this is not toggled on. And if you have added any sites here, disable it and here as well. Once you do so, at the search bar type in Windows Security and open it. You will see something like this. In here, click on App and Browser Control, then go for Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Then make sure that this is toggled off as well. Go for Virus and Threat Protection. Click on to Manage Settings and also make sure that this is toggled off. Once you do everything, this shall definitely fix your downloading problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe to our channel.